So in this Crypto.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to shop on Crypto.com. So once you open up Crypto.com, I want you to go to the top right area to where it says Pay and press on that. Now what it's doing here is actually bringing you to the shopping aspect of Crypto.com. So you can go ahead and use your crypto or use your cash to shop for goods. So you can go to the top if you want to search by brands. You can also just scroll down and see what they have to offer. So there's a Sony store, for example. There's a bunch of different stuff. So you can use retail stores, whatever the case may be. You can kind of go ahead this way. There's fashion. So for example, if we wanted to go to the Sony store right here, Sony store online, you can press on that. It'll then bring you to the Sony Store's website, so you can go back as well. You can go ahead and press on Crypto.com, so it will show you the Crypto.com shop right here. So you can go ahead and scroll for different stuff. There's socks, etc. And you can go to the bottom, press on Pay, and kind of shop this way through the app. So pretty neat, pretty cool, but pretty simple as well. This is how you guys can shop on Crypto.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.